scout camp set up for a plant walk. Have a little fire, making some tea maybe. We're not going that way. Oh. Come back this way. So I was here yesterday and we got some plants, but I cooked it in a way that I think I could do better. So I grabbed some of the watercress and the dead nettles. However, I learned that you can chop up the dead nettles like into a puree, and I did not do that because I don't have a problem eating them raw. I know you can't eat the watercress raw, you have to cook it, but I have no problem eating the dead nettle, but it was not as good cooked in the soup. So I don't really like the texture, and I've heard that that's an issue. So we'll be doing another soup today, and I'm going to add, so I'm going to chop up the dead nettles, and I'm going to add some flour to thicken it up, and that'll help. Be excited about that because I can always bring flour on a backpacking trips like I usually have for bread making. Anyway, I'll put out this fire and we're going to go on a plant walk, get some food. Talk to you soon. Yeah, we'll come back. So we'll get some. Hey, give me a bag for sweet violet. I'm starting to see more of it.
No, we forgot our stacks.
We can wait. We can keep them there for now.
Oh, okay.
Let's take your bag off. Get me a bag. Get me one of the produce bags, and we'll start throwing some sweet violet in because I keep seeing it sporadically, and I don't know how much we need. Give me one of your small ones. So she's picking up sweet violets. Might make some soap or some wine or something. Well, I mean, maybe for me, but we can make something for you.
Make some maple syrup.
We could make syrup. Let's go this way, though. Let's go over here to where the watercress is. Here she is, getting some sweet violet. Nope, that's not it.
Come on, you little piece of...
Got it. This way. So the key to finding it is finding some standing water or water near a creek somewhere, and you'll see it just everywhere. It's this stuff here. Right here. There you go. This one. These are a little longer than the other ones, so I wanted to get into it a bit. You can just chop it and it'll keep growing. Just get it before it flowers, and then it'll start flowering by the end of the season. Turn this way. Here you go. Grass.
Ah, we don't like grass. Well, we like grass to roll and play in. You're getting lots of watercress. I'm just getting a little bit of violets.
Well, we'll get more violets as we walk.
Yeah.
Whoops. Grass. I keep getting grass. Starting up the soup.
Still doing that video?
Yeah.
How long are you doing that video?
Probably a few minutes.
Daddy, make sure to check the weather because tomorrow we're going to go back home.
I think we're going to go back home today, in the evening. For tonight, anyway. We'll do another longer trip later.
Can I see?
Alright, so let's get the watercress, and we're going to toss that in so we can wilt it.
I really want to see. Can I see? I really want to see. It looks super delicious. The soup looks super delicious, Daddy.
It sure is.
How about you try it? How about you stir it?
Yeah, I'm going to. Just a second.
Can I stir? Can I stir it?
Yeah. Let me get this. Let me get the spoon for you. You can step right over there.
You can sit on this. And maybe I'll just... This is a nice bench. Ah! Maybe not a very nice bench. Might have break the muscle, but that's alright. Whoa! Smoke's coming my way! If you put your hand out. As I step, it gets further. It's going that way, alright? It's getting close to my way.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Yeah. I really want to stir.
Why don't you go? Oh wait, no. I know where my thing is. I'm looking for my stick.
Stirring.
You want to peel some garlic for me?
Sure.
Right on, man. All right, guys. So I use this. I've got some garlic here, but I use this vegan bouillon from Switzerland. 2 tablespoons of this per 2 cups. Go ahead and peel the garlic. You can just throw the garlic anywhere now, since we're out in the woods. You don't have to throw it away. There you go.
But
You can put the clean garlics, or the good ones in that bag.
that's what.
Let's let this boil. toss this garlic in there. How about that?
I remember, one time at the old house we ordered some an ice cream sandwich.
Oh yeah, that ice cream truck came. We live out in the woods, so it didn't usually come that often, did it? It only came once in a while.
Yeah, because sugar's not that good.
No, I think it's more, well, I mean, that's important, yes, but I think it was because we lived far in the woods and the truck didn't come out there that often. Got some garlic in there.
Let's get that bench.
You want to blow on that for me? Nice and easy.
I blowed on it. Back up on my nice bench. Looking at the blue sky with some clouds. Garlic peel in my shoe. Ouch. Garlic peels.
Got garlic peels in your shoe. You think that's going to affect you, really?
Yeah.
I think you're going to be all right.
The garlic peel. Look.
Got boil.
It's boiling.
That's right.
Take off the lid. Thorn bush. Thorn stick. Watch out. There's that one Pringle thorn bush.
Damn, it tastes really good. You want to taste it? So, final verdict here. The soup is incredible. It just needs to be a little thick. And I tried adding the flour and it kind of clumped up, so I must need to use a different type of flour. Alternatively, I'll just use cornstarch. But this one likes it.
I wanna bite me.
Okay. Blow on it first. A little hot?
Mm-hmm.
So you blew on it, but it's not enough, I guess. Good stuff.
Yeah. Burnt my tongue.
Oh no.
Almost burnt the tip of my tongue off.
Well, that happens.